Connecting Zoho CRM with Qwilr lets teams generate personalized sales proposals instantly. Qwilr's proposals are web-based and mobile responsive. Let's see how this works. Once you install the Qwilr extension in your Zoho account, you'll see a Create Qwilr page button at the top of all of your lead, account, deal, contact, and quote records. Let's start with building a Qwilr template. Templates let you include points where Qwilr will pull in details from your Zoho CRM records. Every template starts as a Qwilr page. Once you have the content of your page in place, you'll convert that page to a template and choose the area of Zoho CRM where you'll use it. Now we add our tokens. There's a token for every field in your Zoho CRM record. Copy and paste or drag and drop tokens anywhere that you need to include a personalized detail. Now to make a new page from our template we just created, head to a Zoho CRM record, click the Qwilr button, and choose your template. Remember to give the page a unique title and verify the data being pulled in through the tokens. Then click Confirm to create the page. Now you'll be able to grab a link and share it with your client, or if you still need to make changes, you can also click through to keep editing the page in Qwilr. Your buyer will be able to sign electronically and even pay you from the page. Qwilr also has a collaborator link for internal review with your colleagues, whether they have a Qwilr account or not. Follow-up is easy with your new Qwilr page displayed in Zoho. You'll be able to see when the page is viewed and when your client accepts it. And that's it. Qwilr and Zoho CRM make it possible for your whole sales team to create beautiful, personalized proposals at scale.